Hello crypto community, welcome to the channel. New airdrop, a new project has currently launched on Telegram. We're going to be participating in it. The name is called WonTon. Discover and play mini games on Ton. Now we can earn their token. So how do we do that? How do we mine the token? How can we earn even more and even earn more of their tokens and even earn some assets that are sellable? I said before, the name of the project is WonTon. WonTon in WonTon. Discover and play mini games on Ton. All in one destination. Play, invest early. Future of casual gaming. Made by Master Chef Org. 166 followers as of now. This is the post regarding the airdrop. Invite friends to maximize your earnings in WonTon. What are the benefits? Game tickets, more W-Ton. Unlock mystery boxes, more skins, more Ton. Commission from friends earnings, passive income. Start playing now. So that's it, and for you to understand, you actually have to enter the game. The link is going to be in the description box, and make sure to join our Telegram channel and WhatsApp channel so you can also get these links and other updates. After clicking the link and opening it on your Telegram, the first thing that you will be greeted with is to draw a WonTon after joining their socials. So you're going to have 3 packs to choose from. The first thing is to follow WonTon on X. Click start, then make sure to click the follow button. For Telegram, you have to click start and also join the Telegram channel. After doing so, click on verify and claim. Now we have to choose one of the packages. Now one of these packages are meant to have a skin that is probably worth some amount of Ton. So if you get lucky, then you might even get one of them. Looks like I didn't get lucky. 0.01 Ton and 0.001 Ton. So click on add to collection, better than nothing, and you can see the checking in. This is the second day. You can see the amount of tickets I have and then the amount of W-Ton I have. So these are daily rewards. Make sure to claim daily. The next thing we have here is to start farming. So if you click on start farming, it takes 3 hours 180 minutes to mine. So make sure to mine according to that time frame. Apart from that, we have tasks both on Telegram and on Twitter. So let's just complete 2 Twitter and 1 Telegram task. Let's start by following Miss W. So click on start, then you click follow button. Click check. You click check. It will also change to claim. So you have to do that for each and every one of the tasks. The second one we're going to be doing is to join Miss W channel. Click start. As you can see, I'm also going to have to click join. That is also a success, and we repeat. The last one is going to be repost open league. Click start, then repost by clicking on the repost button and then repost. After completing 3 tasks, you get a WonTon. So we have to claim it, right? So click on claim. As you click claim, it's going to show you a package. If you get lucky, you might get one that's priced. So I got one that's called medium rare. I added it to my collection. Doesn't look like it has any price tag on it. So once you finish completing tasks, the more there are 3, the more you get these packs. Make sure to do so. Let's go over to shop. Shop is another feature in which you can purchase these packs. So you can see if you want to purchase this paper pack, is 12,999. Also, it's a large amount, but if you get lucky, you can even get Ton. So then we also have silver pack 0.1. We have paper pack. We have silver pack, and those are 2 of the packs available. So silver pack, if you use 0.1, you would be able to buy the pack, and then based on your luck, we'll see what you get. But before to do that, you also have to connect to your Ton wallet. Ensure to do that if you are interested, and also if you have anything from your collection that you want to sell. So how do you check things from your collection? You can check your Ton balance right here. Then you also have the WonTon you've been able to get from packs. So this is traditional, sesame, and then medium rare. So you can see what I can sell this for, but you can see what is earning me per 3 hours. So that's good, right? But if you want to sell it, these are what you can sell it for. But also note that you can switch in between them for the amount they could give you for mining. So medium rare is giving the highest. So how about I use it instead? But you cannot use all three at the same time. So now when it's showing you using, that means it's working. So some of these can be sold. You can see Snoop Dogg can be sold for 420 ton, Notcoin for 10 ton. So if you're extra lucky, you can get one of these that would give you a large amount of ton coins. Then for friends, this is where you can invite, and then you can earn WTON and mystery boxes. Of course, you click on invite friends or copy invite link to ensure to do so. That's it for WonTon. Make sure to start and don't miss out on a potential way to earn a bit of crypto and whatnot. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more updates. I really appreciate it. Thank you for your time and for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then.